Hello everyone, my name is Fontaine Whitaker, and today I will be discussing the importance of configuring your home wireless network router. Before I begin, I would like to give a brief overview of my background. I have been in IT for over 10 years. My BS is a concentration in information security. I have designed many networks for major corporations and also home wireless network users. The information I provide to you today is for all novice users looking to set up a home wireless network. But my main focus today will be on adults over the age of 55. According to the Social Work Today website, older adults are increasingly interested and involved in using technologies that allow them to stay more connected socially with their friends and family. Wireless routers provide the flexibility for everyone to stay connected using wireless capable devices such as smartphones and also tablets. By using these devices, you run the risk of potential threat to your network. And these are the type of things that older adults are unaware of. The device I will be using today is the Linksys E2000. According to Linksys, the E2000 uses advanced wireless end technology and is perfect for the novice user looking to set up a wireless network in their home. The issue with the E2000 and all other wireless routers are that they work right out of the box. This means that once you plug it into your internet service provider device, you are most likely up and running. The problem, however, is that the E2000 is now set up with a generic username and password. Most older adults are unaware of this, and that is why I'm here today to show you the basic steps of how to prevent potential attacks. I'm going to assume that the E2000 is already plugged in and working on your end. What you want to do next is open the browser up at home on your computer, whichever browser you may use, and you're going to plug in the default IP address for the E2000, which is 192.168.1.1. And what you'll get is a prompt for a username and password. And here's where you want to enter the default settings, which is no good, because by default there is no username and the password is admin. Online you can find these default settings, and then any attacker can get inside your network. There are many settings to ensure a safe wireless environment. The ones I will cover today are the ones that matters most to the average novice user. The three settings I will be covering today are the router password, the number of users that can connect, and the last one is the SID. The first thing you want to do is browse over to administration, and then here's where you're going to see the area where you can change the router password. So you browse over to administration over here in the far right, and then right here you have the area where you can change your router password. And this is what you want to put in, a password that you would use and that you will also remember. Next, we're going to change the SID broadcasting option. What you want to do is just back up and go to wireless, and then here you will see the area where you can change your SID. Normally I would use a name such as my name or address. By disabling the broadcast, you will actually prevent people from seeing this, so you shouldn't have any concerns. The third and final configuration change you need to make on your E2000 is the number of max users. What this is that it's the number of connections that you allow concurrent on your network. So basically, if I have 5 devices, I will only want to set my number of users for 5 devices. By doing this, you basically allow only your network devices to attach to your network and prevent the intrusion of a threat. Alright folks, I think that's enough with the boring slides. I said we start to wrap this thing up. But first I would like to say, I cannot express the importance of changing the E2000 or any wireless device default settings. If you do not change the default settings, you are introducing an attacker to your sensitive information. There are many security settings in the E2000, but the 3 I introduced to you today are the most important for your average user. At your leisure, you should take the time and browse through the settings and see what settings best fit you. You can always reset the button in the back of the device and you'll go back to the default settings, and then you can always start back over. I am glad that all of you took the time out today to listen to this presentation. Once again, my name is Fontaine Whitaker, and I hope you all find this information useful going forward. Thank you and have a good night.